Okay, so I am going to talk to you about how to hook up your Chromebook to a projector. And this is pretty similar to the way that it works on any other sort of computer. So if I take my Chromebook and I look at the left side here, you can see this little pull-out panel right here that's got a couple of icons on it. And I can actually put my finger in there and pull this back. And you can see that it's got a standard USB port on the right, and it's got this little connector right here. And that's what we're going to plug the projector cable into. You're also going to need this adapter, which is the Chromebook video adapter, which has that little connector on the one side and has a standard VGA connector on the other side. And so I'm going to go ahead and I will plug that into that connector there. Okay, so for the sake of the screencast, I've actually just hooked up my Chromebook using the connector just to this external monitor instead of to a projector, just so it's a little bit easier to see on the video. But this works exactly the same way as if you were to hook it up to a projector. It's the same sort of connection. And so you'll see that what Chromebook does by default is it's actually just going to create one giant desktop out of this. So I can actually move my mouse over from the left screen over here onto the right like that, which is helpful if you're sitting at a desk. But if you're teaching in a classroom, this is usually not what you want to do. Instead, rather what you would probably want is to have your screen and the screen on the projector be the same so that your students are seeing exactly the same thing that you're seeing. And so to do that, I'm going to hold down the control button and then hit this button. It's right above the 5 key, and it's a square with a couple of triangles in it. I'm going to hold down control and hit that button, and that's going to turn on display mirroring. And so what that's going to do is it's going to project the same image on both. So you can see that my mouse appears on both screens like that, which is more likely what you're going to want to do in a classroom with a projector. If you want to to check out more of the system settings for your display, you can come down here to your system status bar, and then you can see right here it actually tells you what display mode you're in. Right now it says mirroring to Acer X223W, which is my external monitor over here. I can double click on that, and that's actually going to open the Chrome display settings, which will give me a bunch more options